Here's another example of solving system of three variable equations. Now, in this example, it's a little easier than the previous three examples that we do, because in the previous three examples, we have x, y, and z in all of the three equations. But now, our equations, well, two of our equations are missing two of the variables. So in equation B, we're missing the x, and in equation C, we're missing the x and y. But because of that, the workload that we are going to be doing is going to be lighter than the previous three examples, especially at the fact that if we look at equation C, or if we divide both sides by -2, we would immediately get z equals something, and then take that something and plug it back into equation B to solve for y, and then take the z and the y, plug it into equation A to solve for the x. But before we can even do that, usually what I like to do is I want to make sure all of my equations are in standard form. So equation A is already in standard form because from left to right, we have something times x plus something times y plus something times z equal to a number. But equation B, instead of x, y, z, I got z first and then the y. So I had to switch places of those two equations. Those two terms. So equation B can be rewritten as 6y plus 3z equal to -9. Okay. Now I want to go ahead and solve for z because I only have -2 times z equals 10. So again, it's very easy to solve for z by simply dividing both sides by -2. That means z equals to -5. Right? Now this is equation C and this is equation B. Now with z equals to -5, I can just take this z value and plug it into equation B to solve for the y. So I'm writing it down here instead. So I'm going to say choose B. So B is 6y plus 3z equal to -9. But z is -5, so I got 6y plus 3 times -5 equal to -9. 3 times -5 is going to give us -15. And then keep everything else. Get closer to the y by first eliminating the -15 by adding 15 to both sides. That's going to leave us 6y equals to +6. Yeah, positive. And then divide both sides by 6. I got y equal to +1. With y equals 1 and z equals to -5, guess what? Take these two variables and plug it into the A equation to solve for the leftover x. So choose A. I got -5x plus 8y minus 4z equals to 38. Keeping the -5x, replacing y with +1, so I get 8 times +1 minus 4, replacing z with -5, I got -4 times -5 equal to 38. Well, 8 times 1 is 8. -4 times -5 is 20. 8 plus 20 is going to give us plus 28 equal to 38. Solve for x by getting rid of the plus 28 and then the -5 by subtracting 28 to both sides, which will give us -5x equal 10. Divide both sides by -5. I got x equals -2. So the solution is -2, 1, -5.